Morning, guys. I ended up hanging out with that Swedish girl all day yesterday until the evening. You know, I'm not one to kiss and tell, but I want to be honest with you guys. I ended up, we were quite attracted to each other. We basically admitted that to each other pretty early on, and we ended up cuddling all day, and then eventually getting a little more physical, kissing and stuff. But yeah, she didn't feel any chemistry there. So I guess it was just a giant waste of opening up. I don't know. I feel in some ways it kind of helps me move on a little bit. It doesn't feel so foreign to be touching and kissing someone anymore. But at the same time, it felt like a shame. It felt like there might have been some deeper connection there, but, well, there wasn't. It's very simple. If there was a deeper connection there, I'm pretty sure she wouldn't have cut it off. But very interesting, very unexpected for me. It's definitely not my style. Like, I'm not looking to hook up with girls. I'm not looking to make out. And I'm definitely not looking for something as short term as this. Well, all I can be thankful of is that I didn't end up doing anything sexual with her. Like, we didn't end up doing anything. So, you give a part of yourself every time you're intimate with someone, but you can give bigger or smaller parts. And I would have preferred to not give more of myself away. I feel like there isn't much to give, but at least I didn't give a huge chunk, right? Oh well, I'm just going for a bit of a ride now. Gonna do a little bit of shopping and just contemplating out in nature. I sent her the link for, basically I just said, she said over text, it's not working out, never mind. And I'm like, alright, don't worry about it, I'll back off. And then I sent her the link for Buena Vista Social Club's song, Amor de Loca, Joventud. Check out the lyrics. They were quite relevant. Guys, I'm just out here looking for an appropriate place to smoke a cigarette. I just got some cigarettes in the supermarket here in this town. And a booster. I think I just need to sit and think for a little. Rolling and smoking. Took my helmet off, obviously. Attached it to my backpack. I don't know if you can see. An old train station here.
Mueren ya las ilusiones del ayer. Deshacié con lujurioso amor y mueren también con sus promesas crueles. La inspiración que un día le brindé con candor, el alma entera yo le di, pensando en nuestro idilio consagrar, sin pensar que ya lo que buscaba en mí era el amor de loca juventud. Mueren ya las ilusiones del ayer. Es así, con lujurioso amor. Y mueren también con sus promesas crueles. La inspiración que un día le brindé con candor que realmente era yo le di, pensando en nuestro idilio consagrar, sin pensar que ya lo que buscaba en mí era el amor de loca juventud.
Moss and I are cleaning up the place. It was about time. This place was getting nasty. There's a lot of people who moved back here, so let's make it look proper. Try and inspire people to keep it up. Check it out. So nice, so clean. Well, we did our part. Let's go relax. We're eating scones. I haven't had these for years. With some tea. I'm taking a bit of a break. We've been cleaning off chairs and polishing and applying oil to them.
Yeah, we're not going to do for the sneaker competition here.
No.
Nej, det er så jeg vil hellere punktere, at vi bliver færdige, end at vi bliver trætte af at gøre det.
Okay.
Med kiksekager og vanilje.
It's got brandy in it.
Oh my god, did I get drunk?
And if this one didn't work out very well, but hey.
Hvor gammel bliver du, Morten?
40 something.
Oh, right, it's worse than a woman.
Something.
Okay, hvad hedder de?
Sara og Ruben.
Celebrating Moss's birthday has been nice. Now I'm making some food for the two of us. I think this is the last dish I have ready right now to make. So some béarnaise sauce, some chicken schnitzel, broccoli and rice. Gotta turn those down. That's better. Alright, let's get to it. Look at the delicious food we made. Oh, and I got one of these.
You made.
Yeah, I made. Well, you were here, you helped me out spiritually.
Took the dishwash.
It makes it easier, you know, when you got company.